Ta-da! I started at the end.
Okay, do it, Jelana. Your turn.
But that's a little bit.
Some people does that, Jolene.
Yeah, this one and this one. What this one?
Palitan naman ng pencil. Baka may magic.
Tulis lang mo.
Alam mo na. I start at the end.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this way.
Dad! Shades ko, sabi na.
Just do it. Salita mo. Oh, you did it? Good job. Just do it, Jolene. Go find your words, Jolene, together.
Just read this first. Or
Yeah, do how to do this.
Oh, yeah, Jelana, do that. The tree.
No.
Oh, can you make a square on the tree?
Yeah, let me help you guys.
Oh, that's the one I showed you.
is it
I said
gold?
card. I said card.
You didn't.
I didn't see that. Ah, I found it. Let's see. Okay. See it right here. Wait, I know. Veterans.
Is it?
Jelana, you can do the tree.
What?
Go get a square, 3 to 3.
No, not that.
If you open that one,
Animal.
and then
Right here. Animal.
this one is square. Make a square here.
Did we find the place? Leaves.
I found Langers.
Ranger.
Oh, yeah, you can do that, Jelana.
I was starting from the L then. Bangers.
No, that's ring.
Descalon. Root.
Forest.
Slows. Slows.
There were there.
Are.
You wanted the money too?
Can I get a pencil?
Okay, honey.
Okay, there you go.
Oh,
Oh, honey.
Pencil.
Okay, I know how to more.
Oh, okay, it's fine.
I think there's a, Julian, there's a lot of pencil. Go find it.
Good, Rudy, take what's here.
Leaves. Find leaves.
Oh, I want to find this.
I'll find extra.
Wow, is that a girl? Smiley girl, Jelana?
That's a dog.
With all the
What's the name?
E.
Winnie.
Winnie. Not sunshine?
No, it's Winnie.
Sunshine.
Winnie. Winnie.
Mm-hmm.
No, it's Winnie.
Winnie?
Yeah.
Okay.
Leaves. Oh. What's this thing?
When?
No.
Book.
What's book?
Here is a book.
Roof. Dry roof.
Well, I'm looking for leaves.
That's a dog.
Find the leaves.
See that? Who want to do this? See?
Yeah, see? Yep. Yeah, see? Oh, you want to do the connect the dot? Julene can do the connect the dot.
I'm really good at it.
Go find 1, 2, no, Jelana. Yeah. First 1.